Hi friends, we shall now look into the process of generating your table annual report through the RTI Dashboard, like how you used to generate the quarter reports. We shall explain a basic step-by-step procedure to generate it. First, open your roundtableindia.org on the browser and click on Dashboard, like how you used to do. After logging in, this is how your dashboard will look. Please note that before you generate the annual report, please ensure that you have completed a minimum of 24 business meetings and finished minuting the same in your Momo. Because once you have clicked the annual report button, you will not be able to go back and enter any of the minutes or enter any of the data. So after you finishing all your business meetings for the year, click on minutes here and select annual report. Click on yes generate. This is how your page will look. Please first check for the current tabling year. So present year would be say 22, 23. This is the last year format. So yours would be technically annual report 22, 23. Here, enter the number of tablers that are inducted in your current year. This will be automatically populated. Enter the number of honorary tablers that you had in this particular year. Enter the total number of active tablers as of your last day, which is 30th June. So the total number of active tablers present in the table and the number of meetings you had held in that particular year, say minimum of 24, or if you've had extra, please mention that number of business meetings. Here, enter the chairman message. It is a simple word file, like enter your chairman message and click on this button. Select a chairman's photo and select so that the photo will appear here. Then enter similarly the secretary message also and do the same thing for uploading the secretary's photograph here. This is the past table chairman honor roll. So click on the year, add your past chairman. If you have all the past data up to your, the charter year, please plus so that you can amend all the past year chairman. Attendance, this would be a total attendance. If you have any alteration in anything, please check your last minutes and check on this attendance data. Notice an agenda for your AGM. Please type it here. Type the notice and then type the agenda. Enter the executive board of the present year, which will be the outgoing board at your technical AGM. The list of conveners. It is we have mentioned three conveners here. You have an extension convener or go green convener or a sports convener. Please press this button, plus button, add the particular convener ship and add the tabler's name here. This, like how you had the outgoing chairman message, please type in the incoming chairman message along with this photo, same procedure, and enter the table executive board for the incoming year, where this board will be taking up at your AGM after you finish. So please enter the names who would be taking up their convener list here, like how we had the past conveners list, the incoming convener list. So this is how the convener reports will have all the reports which you are already filed in your 24 business meetings. In case you have had a business meeting on 23rd, you have finished all the meetings, you had a fellowship on 28th of June, you can just simply click a report and add the report individually so that if you had missed any report, otherwise all the reports which are entered in your all the 24 minutes will be populated inside the convener reports. Awards and recognition, click here, click the year, mention whether it is international, national, or area. So technically, any awards that you have received after your table AGM till date, say like your awards at area AGM, national AGM, your recognitions in 4 quarters, everything can be entered here. This would be the retirement report. Click on retirement report. Tablers who are retiring, please mention the name here. You can give a nice brief about them here. Click the number of services, year of services they had. If in case you have any doubt, you can ask your AST. He would be able to give you the details on this. Again, press upload to select a nice photo of them so that you create a good memory for them in your annual report. So this would be repeated for the number of retirements that you have in that particular year. Enter the treasury report for that particular year. Click here to upload all the treasurer documents, the admin and your trust account, income and expenditure and balance sheets. Any information or any remarks that has been given by the auditor with the auditor name, you can give it here. The auditor who had been proposed at your AGM, you can mention the proposer and the seconder here. You can give a nice thank you message from the secretary, how you had felt the whole year handling your table. If in case you have passed any table rules at your table AGM, you can mention it here, with the entire description of what the rule you had amended in your table. So finally, everything, click save, preview this. This would give you the entire gist of all the data that you had entered. You click on generate PDF. The PDF will download, and technically, this is what your report will look like. So it will contain all the basic data. These data you would have entered, the chairman message that you would have entered, the secretary message that you would have entered, the past chairman name that you had individually selected and entered, the attendance data, your notice, and the agenda for your incoming table AGM, your outgoing board, your incoming board, incoming convener board, incoming chairman message, and all the convener reports would be populated like this. If in case you want to add any fancy pictures in between, you can edit the PDF and add the pictures also. And at last, you would be having the retirement report and the treasury report, whatever you have uploaded, and the thank you message and table rules if you have typed in any. If you have any doubts, please do check with the NS or your AST. Thank you, guys.